Hello, everyone. This is Brian Kuzdas, CEO and co-founder of S2A Modular, bringing you another Modular Minute today. Today's topic is, how far can we ship a modular home? Well, the answer basically is globally. We recently got a call from Guyana, South America, wanting us to build 100,000 homes. Now, we wouldn't ship 100,000 times, but at the end of the day, it's just smarter to build a factory in Guyana, South America. Most likely we'll build 4 to 8 homes before building that factory in South America, and then they'll get shipped. So at the end of the day, we can ship anywhere. We've got currently a customer of ours that is building in Boston, Massachusetts. Now, we're shipping from California all the way to Boston, Massachusetts. That's about 3,000 miles. The cost is about $9 a module per mile. So if you're going 3,000 miles across the U.S., $9 a mile, it'd be $27,000 for that one module. But in this case, it's a 1,200 square foot home. So it actually ends up being 2 modules being shipped. It's an extra $54,000 that are going to be tacked onto the price of that home. That's a lot of extra money. But some people want to have a particular home. In this case, they did all the research. This couple did the research, and the modular industry chose us and is paying for the extra dollars to ship it due to them wanting this particular home. Now, that's an extreme example. Let's say you were 100 miles away from the factory. Well, 100 times 9, you're looking at 900 times 2 modules, $1,800 extra to be tacked onto maybe a 300,000 or 400,000 square foot home. Not a big deal. So it's really not that big of a deal to have the subject property shipped regardless of where it is, even if it is globally. We have situations all the time where people say, well, I'd rather have the modular home because, number one, it's built better. We're building indoors, so you're away from all the elements. You don't have to worry about cold, wind, snow, or anything like that. So the home just gets built better. And we can get to a 1/16 of an inch tolerance on all our cuts. You can't do that outdoors, so it's just built better. Number two is there's a cost savings because of the efficiencies. There's less waste, et cetera. So does that balance out those cost efficiency versus traveling or paying for the module to get traveled? Usually, yes. And then lastly is the time. The time is crazy. We can build 1,000 units a year in our factory. 1,000. Just think of that. When you're working outside like a traditional stick-built would, you stop at 6 o'clock at night, right? It gets dark out. There's rules in the neighborhood. We don't do that in a factory. It's first shift, second shift, third, first, second. It doesn't stop. So speed is in there too. So just want to make sure all of you understand we can ship anywhere. The cost is $9 a mile typically. And that's it for today's talk on how far can we ship a module. Hope you enjoyed. Take care. Bye-bye.